baby. Oh. Anyway, how are you doing, Henry Onowole?
Ah,
Wave to everybody out there. Greet everybody. Hello, hello, everybody on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. How are you doing? I see Tolu Honeyke sneaking in as usual. You will not say, "Hey, Daddy Freeze, how you doing? Checking up on you." You're sneaking. You think I will not catch you? I don't catch you. How are you all doing, guys? Now, earlier on in the day, Henry Onowole and I were talking about um, a $100 million what is it called, fund
oh,
for uh,
those interested
in
to,
AI investment. So,
yeah,
Henry, let me hand the baton over to you. What exactly is going on in the AI world? How are people able to build their careers? How are people able to use AI? What can we do now? Is it too early to join? Is it the right time to join? Or is it too late to join?
yeah, I would say this is actually the right time to join, or the right time to position yourself. And when I said position, it is the time to understand how our industry is leveraging artificial intelligence, which
Hmm.
actually boil down to what are the career opportunities when it comes to artificial intelligence.
Hmm.
You know, right now, as I said in my previous lives on your IG here, I said most organizations have invested billions of dollars in terms of positioning themselves in this AI revolution. And as we all know, that most organizations, like, I mean, the giant organization like, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, they want to remain strong competitors in their space. And artificial intelligence has been seen as one technology, or will I say technology shifts that
Hmm.
most organizations can leverage to put themselves in that position. Because um, many organizations, they are looking for a way to actually cut costs. Then AI is seen as an avenue or a technology the organization can leverage in order to increase their revenue generation, and at the same time to be able to cut costs. And
Hmm.
this, will I say, this discussion actually trigger that, will I say, fear in people, that because AI is seen as a replacement for woman.
Hmm.
You understand? But as I said, one of those people that will thrive in this AI era are those who have dedicated their time to acquire AI skills, because organization will require individuals.
Sorry, hold on.
Okay. Are we good?
Yes, continue.
Okay. Oh, it's still echoing. Is it good now? Okay. Yeah, organization will require individuals that can help them implement this AI technology efficiently. And one thing Brightness Academy have done is to go ahead of time and see how individuals can equip themselves to become relevant in this AI revolution, so
Hmm.
that they can become those experts that organization will be able to recruit to help organization implement AI in various lines of business. Then artificial intelligence is a tool
Hmm.
that is going to improve or bring about a tremendous improvement or enhancement in every form or in every lines of business, from sales to marketing, to e-commerce, to HR, to supply chain. Then for every line of business, there is actually an AI tool. There is an AI tool to aid the interaction between business and consumers, or between clients and contractors. And AI is actually a tool that will help to boost productivity and efficiency to a large extent. It's going to even change. How am I going to say? It's going to change everything, the way we see life, because AI itself will also be integrated into our everyday life, like transportation, like aviation, even the
Hmm.
vehicles that they will start manufacturing from next year. There will be AI features included in it. Even the iPhone 16, I think the launch date is September 9 or 10. I think I'm going to be there live that it freeze. Is
This
that
already
16?
has AI. This is the
Okay,
Fold 6.
okay.
It
Then I'm
already
talking about
has AI.
AI features. Then
I
iPhone
don't even know how
16.
to use all the features. It already has AI, and some of us are even struggling with the level of technology available at your fingertips in a phone.
Yeah.
So, just to buttress the point you are making, Henry,
Yeah, it's going to pervade into every part of our everyday life. As I said, iPhone will be releasing iPhone 16. I think it's on the 9, 10, or 11 or 12 at Silicon Valley. I'll be there live. I'll be there live. Yeah, I got an
are you going to
invite.
be reporting for us, telling us?
Let's see. I will give you an update on that, but I'll be there live. Yeah.
Wow.
Um, as I said, AI is going to cut across various industry, include healthcare. Then, as a result of AI, we are going to also witness some kind of advancement in the medical field. Then that means there will be good news for those who are probably victims of terminal diseases. Then, with the advent of AI, doctors will be able to diagnose patients more efficiently and probably, help them to give better prescription. Then, artificial intelligence is a game changer, and I'm actually um, imploring that everyone who want to change their story, possibly maybe you fall in that position of someone that is struggling financially, or you currently have a job and you don't want to find yourself in a scenario where your organization will say you are no longer needed. Yeah.
Hmm.
And I will implore you and encourage you to start early. I'm telling you, and you see, this is where I would say the African community, we handle things with levity, like, oh, but Daddy Freeze, I'm going to tell you that the Western world, the way they are reading, the way they are exploring how they can maximize or harness the potential that that comes with artificial intelligence is at a very faster pace, a very faster pace. And
Hmm.
I'm encouraging everyone, you are like me, I'm in it, and I can boldly tell you that our cohort classes started like 6 weeks ago,
Hmm.
and we've been doing amazing well. Those who register for the classes, they've been learning a lot. We've had students from various regions, people from India, people from Europe, Caucasians, everyone. And I'll tell you, the feedback that we've been getting has been interesting. Like the last class we had, we're looking at some AI machine learning technologies that are being developed by Amazon. It's called Amazon Web Service, AWS.
Oh,
Then
wow.
AWS, is that segment of Amazon that focus on technology. Yeah,
Hmm.
AWS, the Amazon Web Service. Then we look at various AI machine learning technology that organization can leverage from generative AI technology. When I say generative AI, that is artificial technology with the capability of content creation that has the ability to generate content,
Oh,
that
wow.
has the ability to transform text to images or text to video. Yeah, these are generative AI. And we talk about how organizations are leveraging it in various forms for marketing, for ad and campaign management, for technical support, how they are actually using it to close customer requests quickly. Then, and we also look at artificial intelligence in the health sector as well,
Hmm.
how doctors can use AI to be able to monitor patient situations. Like now, during that class, someone was giving us a use case of, I think she's a patient, she has some kind of infection, and she usually, I think maybe kind of threw up or something. Then the doctor actually implements something like a technology that kind of monitor our health situation. Then once that technology capture um, the behavior of the patient, the same technology we kind of create what the observation of how the we create like will I say we create um,
Hmm.
an observation of how the patient behaves, and it will also give the doctor some kind of recommendation of how
Hmm.
the patient needs to be treated. Then this is a combination of computer vision and generative AI technology.
Hmm.
Generative AI technology, uh, doctors can actually use it, although it is not approved yet by FDA. FDA is the agents, the U.S. agency that actually regulates medical policy in the U.S. It
Hmm.
has not been, yeah, it has not been approved, but currently there are some kind of, will I say, testing that are being carried out by some of the healthcare centers here in the US,
Hmm.
where they are using AI technology to monitor patient behavior. And with those AI technology, it will provide a kind of diagnosis about the patient, and at the same time provide recommendation of what step to take to treat the patient. And from what we can see, I think it's going to um, help a lot of patients to get treated on time. Now, there are situations where doctors might need to perform various tests on a patient, which sometimes might take like 8 weeks or 12 weeks. But with the
Hmm.
advent of artificial intelligence, they will be able to complete all this testing in a timely manner, maybe within 2 or 3 weeks, and
Hmm.
which we believe will help to save the patient, because sometimes if a patient is being susceptible to a sickness for a long time, uh, that maybe the patient might not be able to live long. But if you're able to diagnose the infection, or you're able to diagnose the patient quickly, the doctor will be able to know what exactly they need to do. Then As I said, there's a lot that is going on in the world of AI, and Brightness Academy have actually positioned itself to equip students with some of these opportunities and how organizations are leveraging AI. And as I said, irrespective of what current position you are or whatever you are doing, when I said maybe in the business space, maybe you are a business analyst or a project manager or a program manager, or probably you are an IT expert. There is definitely an AI technology that is applicable to your day-to-day tasks. Then we've been able to create various courses of how you can leverage AI for your day-to-day tasks, and at the same time also to equip you with the knowledge of how you can be a vital member of the AI team within your organization to implement artificial intelligence.
Omo. Guys, shey una dey hear. You see, the problem I have with Nigerians is when we are here to share knowledge, people will not gather. When we are here to share stories of who is sleeping with who, everybody will gather. Tomorrow, you will say you are not growing. Tomorrow, you will say you don't have opportunities. How can you have opportunities when instead of you creating opportunities for yourselves, you are gossiping? Listen, I love to gossip. I love to gossip. Nobody like gossip, Rich me. I like gist. But I always keep it at the back of my mind that the smaller brains talk about other people. The bigger brains talk about events. The biggest brains talk about the future. So I just want to use this as an opportunity to ask you, which side of the divide are you? Are you small brain, tiny brain, or big brain? Somebody said the cost prices choke. Now, here is where you have an opportunity because Henry is listening to your feedback, and Henry is also using this as an opportunity to create opportunities for everyone in this space. Somebody said, I just checked now $3,000 for a course. Just like you enter Mercedes Benz and you go and price S Class or G Wagon, there is Mercedes Benz of $25,000.
Yeah, that's good.
G Wagon is $200,000. S Class is $150,000. But there is Mercedes of $200,000. That's of $20,000 that will still give you the Mercedes Protect. It will give you all. In fact, there's Mercedes of $10,000. It doesn't even have to be brand new. So why don't you ask, is there something for me? Has anybody bothered to ask, Henry, how can I participate? How can I be a part of this? And I don't have to pay the $3,000 because I can't afford it. Many people cannot afford it now, home and abroad. Is there a package for Tiwantiwa? Is there a package for my
Definitely.
boys?
Yeah, thank you, DL. As somebody said something there, I think it was Shade of Grains. MIT, Harvard, that the freeze, they are currently offering AI programs, some for 6 weeks, some for 8 weeks. And they offer some of them for $8,000.
Hmm.
They offer some for $12,000. And Brightness Academy is offering about 21 modules for $3,000. And that the freeze next year, that same our comprehensive AI program is going to be $7,000 from January 1st next year. But one thing that we have, yes, it will be 7,000 that the freeze. Yes, it will be 7,000. But one thing that we have done, for those who cannot afford that kind of large amount of money, we've been able to introduce new, will I say, new packages. One, you have the opportunity to attend our individual courses. And some of the individual courses, some of them is like $200, some is $250, and some is $150, and some are $300. Then in the month of September, our first class in the month of September will be AI leadership. Then, if you are currently, let me say, an IT leader, or you assume any leadership position in your organization, and you want to understand how you can leverage AI in your leadership strategy, I think that is the right course for you. How to implement AI in your leadership strategy. Then we'll be looking at how you can also position yourself as an AI visionary leader, or how you can help your organization to incorporate AI from a leadership perspective, and how, as a leader, you can also use AI to drive your leadership process or your leadership style. Then these are these are some of the courses you might not see out there. I guess MIT and Harvard are offering that same course for about maybe $6,000 or thereabouts. Yes, and the freeze. Yeah. Then, but Brightness Academy is offering AI and leadership for $250. It's going to be for 6 hours on Saturday, September 7th, from 6 a.m. Pacific time to 12 p.m. Pacific time. And there are breaks in between. Then it's a very comprehensive class. It's hands-on. You'll be given an home assignment. And at the end of the section, you will get a certificate of completion. That is for September 7th. Then September 14th, we have AI decision and decision making, which is also $250. For AI decision making, you will learn how organizations are using AI to make decisions. We are going to look at what are the advantages of using AI to make business decisions. What are the limitations of using AI to make business decisions? We'll be looking at all these. Then, what are the various tools, AI tools, that organizations can use to improve their decision making, or what kind of decisions are made in various industries, or how organizations can use AI to automate their decision making. A very good use case is the banking industry. Uh, let me here in the Western world, I'll say the banking industry works very well. In the Western world here, you can apply for loan, you can apply for maybe mortgage loan, you can apply for car loan. Then with the advent of AI, organizations can make the financial sector of the banking industry can make quick decision on the submission of your mortgage loan or your car loan, maybe within 24 hours. And it's not going to involve maybe any form of human. Yeah, it will be a chatbot, a technology that will be involved. Then we'll be looking at this use case of how the banking sector are using AI to actually make decisions. We are going to look at the technologies at the back end that actually aid the banking sector in making this decision. And from this class, you'll be able to help your organization position them on how they can use AI to actually make decisions. Even as a business owner, that class is also for you, how you can use AI to make prompt decision, good decision. Let us assume now some people are using AI for trading that will freeze. Like maybe if they want to buy a stock, you can use AI to get an advice if you should buy a particular stock or not. Yes, people are now using AI to decide if they should buy, which company stock they should buy. Do you think that if I buy this stock, will it skyrocket in the next 3 or 4 years? And AI will give you some parameters. Yes. Now they are using AI for trading. Yeah. Then someone might say, how would this one? What's the possibility? It's going to use previous data. Yeah, you just need to provide previous data to it. Then that is their decision making is $250. I'm very sure. I don't think there's any learning platform that is offering this program currently, AI and decision making. That is for September 14. Then September 21, we are looking at AI and communication.
Oh,
What is
wow.
the impact of AI on communication process? Then
Wow.
AI will have a great influence on how communication exists in the workplace. Communication between the business team and the development team. Communication among the leadership team. Communication between senior leadership and junior leadership, or between the executive leadership and mid leadership. We'll be looking at the impact of AI, or how AI will be able to facilitate communication process within the organization. And we'll be also looking at communication gaps that may exist as a result of artificial intelligence.
Hey.
Because we perceive that AI could cause a communication gap between the business team and the development team because of some of the will I say complex terminology associated with machine learning or artificial intelligence. Because, like, let me give you a simple use case. There is a possibility that the developers might not be able to tell someone who's representing the business what they can use AI to improve business process. You understand? Because the developer only understood that technical terminology. Let me give an instance. The developer can say, okay, we can use natural language processing to actually improve the contact center. The business person will like, what is natural language processing? That, you understand? That may be
100%.
like, a grammatical jargon of, you understand? But in this course, we are going to explain how the business can relate or interact with the development team in order to avoid this communication gap, or to avoid the use of heavy technical terminology in the area of interacting with business. And under this course, we'll also be looking how the development team can present AI solution to business, so that if somebody who's not technical will be able to comprehend what they are trying to say. And this is a course that is, I think, is important for those who are business analysts, or those who are product owners, or those who are project manager, or project manager, program manager, and product manager. Yeah, because these individuals or personnel I just mentioned, they actually engage in facilitating communication in the organization between the business and the development team. Then this is a very good, you can't find this course somewhere. I'm telling you the truth.
Oh, wow. Welcome back, people. I don't know what happened. I think it was from Henry's side. So I'm bringing Henry right back. Instagram has been acting. Instagram has been acting up.
I got the free.
I don't know
Me
what
too. I'm
happened. I think
surprised. I don't
Instagram
know
has been
what
acting
happened
up.
as well.
Sorry? So you were saying something before we were interrupted.
Yes, I was talking about AI and communication, how AI can improve communication process within the organization, communication maybe among employees, communication between the business team and the development team, or communication between the business team and the IT team. And the good thing is, we also have communication tools that are AI inbuilt or AI powered technology. Then you can see now AI can enhance communication process within the organization. AI can also post communication gap or challenge within the organization. And organization can also leverage communication tools with AI feature. Now, let me give a simple use case of an AI communication tool, like Zoom. Now, Zoom have included an AI feature called AI Companion. When you have a communication or a Zoom call with someone and you enable your AI companion that it frees, the AI companion is going to summarize your discussion. It will highlight everything that was discussed and the next steps of action. That is an AI communication tool. Now, the AI communication was able to capture your discussion. Then now you don't need to like taking minutes notes during the call. You just need to focus on your discussion that you're having with the person. And we also have the Microsoft Teams too. Microsoft, they integrated what they call co-pilots. Then when if you're on a Teams call and you enable your co-pilot can also capture meetings notes. And I think it's a very important features for those who are business analysts, product owner, project manager. It's going to help your what's it called, your elicitation process or your business requirement gathering. Yeah, it will. If you are a business analyst, let us assume that you are having a discovery section call or a business requirement gathering section with the business or with any business lead. You'll be able to write your user stories quickly. Even with the AI tool, you can also write your user stories as well. All you just need to do is to provide the prompts. Yeah, definitely from your meeting notes. Then, um, apart from that, we also have other AI communication tools like the Microsoft Team Chats or the Slack channel. There's something called the Slack channel. It's more like a platform where you can chat with someone or you can ping people in the workplace. Now, AI has been integrated into that chat platform in the sense that, like Slack now, they will ask for your consent to turn on the AI feature within your Slack channel. Then what that AI tool will do is to use the data and information that is communicated within that Slack channel. Let us assume that the freeze, you want to know, let me say you are trying to know how many customer purchase iPhone 16 within the organization, and there is an interaction about it with the Slack channel. Once you type it in, the AI tool will give you the answer without you reaching out to anyone within. You don't have to ping anyone because those interactions, let us assume that the Slack channel is used for monitoring the iPhone 16 transaction in the Slack channel. Then you don't need to reach out to anyone to know how many iPhones were sold. You just need to type it in the Slack channel and it will give you. Then AI is going to improve various communication tools that are used within the organization. And moving forward, all communication tools will have an AI features. Then in this class, we look at the various AI communication technologies. Yeah, from Slack, from Microsoft Teams, from Zoom. We look at various AI features that have been added to all of these communication tools. That is for AI communication, and the cost is just $150. I can beat my chest. You can't see this course anywhere. Yeah.
Please, can
Just
they have your contact? A lot of people are interested in getting your contact. So many people are DMing me. I'm trying to tell them, let's wait for him to announce his contact. Let me
yeah,
lock
Daddy,
up
please. I
TikTok.
have one more course in the month of September. It's called AI and Data Strategy. If you are a data expert, let me say maybe a data engineer, a data analyst, a data governance specialist, or a data management specialist or expert, this is actually the course for you. Or if you are a program manager that is leading an AI project, or you are a
Hmm.
technical lead that is leading AI projects, this actually the course for you, because that the freeze without having a good data management practice, it is impossible for you, or it might be difficult for you to leverage artificial intelligence efficiently, because the performance of artificial intelligence is dependent on good data management practice.
Hmm.
Then on this course, we'll be looking at various data strategy that are incorporated or embraced or adopted by organization to position them for AI implementation. One of them is aligning your business use case to your AI vision. We'll be looking at how you can implement your data governance strategy.
Hmm.
We'll also be looking at your data quality management.
Hmm.
We'll also be looking at your AI data modeling and validation. And we'll be looking at various data governance tools and technology, because um, even though AI has a lot of usefulness and relevance, AI also poses a great risk to organization in terms of data privacy, in terms of incorrect outputs. There is a possibility that AI might provide you with an output that is incorrect.
Hmm.
Yeah, and there is also a possibility that AI might be biased in its output as well. And under this AI data strategy, we'll be looking at various tools that organizations can leverage to monitor the performance of AI and ensure that the data that is being used to train your AI model are of high quality and high standard. Then, and we currently have positions like AI data governance specialists, AI data management experts. Then this is actually a good course. It's actually 2 days, Saturday and Sunday, and it's going for $300. And bet with me, this, by next year maybe it might be $500. Yeah, because
Hmm.
this is actually our first year, and that is why we're trying as much as possible to make people happy and afford them the opportunity to actually, become, take advantage of these AI opportunities that we have out there.
All right, please, what are the details if someone should want to get in touch with you right now? What are the details?
Okay, the best way to reach out to us is through our WhatsApp number, which is +1 80 839 0484.
I want you to give us that number again.
Yeah, I will do that two more times. +1
Plus
eight
one
zero two
802
eight three nine eight zero two
839.
839 0484.
Let me take that
Yeah,
number plus one eight zero
yep,
two 839 0484. Is that the
yes.
number? That's the WhatsApp number.
Yeah,
That's
that
the
is the
WhatsApp
WhatsApp number.
number.
You can reach out to us. And for our email is info@brightnessacademy.org. I will type that in the comment section here.
Info
Info at
at
brightnessacademy.org.
brightness GHT Abby
Yeah,
academy.org.
yeah. Info@brightnessacademy.org.
Okay. So WhatsApp
And
email.
WhatsApp is +1 802 839 0484. And we also have other courses that will be rolling out in the month of October. AI prompt engineering. If you want to become an AI prompt engineer, that one we have that in the month of October. And also in the month of October, we have AI automation engineer, which means AI and automation.
Hmm.
Now, one way organizations are using AI is to actually automate their day-to-day tasks without the involvement of human in the process. Then
Hmm.
we'll be looking at various use cases of how organizations are leveraging AI to actually automate manual tasks and some of the day-to-day tasks.
Now, is there anyone that has any question in the house? Anyone with a question? If you have a question, what is your question?
Yeah, that the freeze, I think we kind of misspell the Brightness Academy.
Okay, what's the right spelling?
Okay, is info info at BRIGHT then X as in Xmas, then
Okay.
T, then Academy, ACADEMY, then .org.
All right, I'm pasting it now again. Tell me if I got it correct now.
Yeah, info at Brightness Academy. Yes, I guess that the
I
field
think
is
I
also
still missed it.
okay.
There's still a T that is
Okay.
supposed to be there. Bright Next Academy.
Yeah, brightnessacademy.org. Yeah, and another thing I want to mention
Is it
when you go
correct
to the
now or should I still
website,
add the T?
yes, brightness,
Okay.
nest, NEST.
All
Yeah,
right. So I'm posting that.
brightnessacademy.org.
So that is
Yeah,
info at
then
brightnextacademy.org.
.org.
Info
Yeah,
at brightnextacademy.org. Kindly see it. And the
and
number is plus one
plus one
802
802 839
839
0484.
0484.
Yes. And the website is blindnessacademy.ai. But just mind you, these individual courses, you might not be able to register those courses on the website. You need to reach out to me. I have to send you a private link to be able to register for that. Then, if you are interested in any of our individual courses, as I said right now, we have 3 packages for our AI program. The first one is called our AI Bootcamp or our AI Comprehensive Program, which is about some courses are 21 modules, some are about 28 modules, and we have over 24 courses or 24 AI programs for our AI bootcamp. Now
Hmm.
we are selling for $3,000, but from January 1st, it will be $7,000 from January 1st, 2025. And the second package we have, we call it our AI personalized program. That one
Hmm.
covers just 4 modules, and you can complete that in 4 weekends. That means in 1 month, just 4 weekends, Saturday and Sunday. Means like 8 weeks, right? Yeah, 4 weekends,
That's
Saturday
like a
and
month.
Sunday, a month. And
Hmm.
most of those programs goes for $1,050 and $1,500 if you're interested in that. And lastly is the individual courses. Then if you are not privileged to be able to register for our comprehensive bootcamp program, which is $3,000 now, and the personalized program, which is just four
Hmm.
weekends, which is $1,050 and $1,500, depending on the program that you registered for. Then we have the individual courses. We have individual courses for $100, 150, 250, and $300. Then I will go
Hmm.
through the courses we have in the month of September. Month of September 7 is AI and decision making, is $250. Then
Hmm.
AI and leadership, September 14 is $250. Then AI and communication, September
Wow.
21 is $150. Then September 28th, we have AI and data strategy, and
Hmm.
that goes for $300.
Hmm.
Any question in the comment section?
Anybody, we are not even doing question in the comment section. We are bringing you live to ask your question. Oh yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
What is your question? Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, people. What is your question?
If you would like to come live and ask your question, just send a request to Daddy Quiz.
Hmm.
Yeah, and I also said in the month of October, we have some interesting courses as well. AI and automation, AI and
Hmm.
prompt engineering. Daddy Quiz, uh, maybe the next time I'm coming, I will ask a few of our students to join me live.
Hmm.
Yeah, because we currently have some students, yeah, that are currently doing the bootcamp program, which is for 4 months. But the way I'm looking at it, it might actually extend to like 5 months.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Anyone that wants to join us live,
Hmm. Hmm. Someone said, what's the career path?
okay, those are the things. Okay, there are various career paths when it comes to AI. Let me just start with the one I think are more advanced. You can become an AI automation engineer, and I will give you that the freeze a sample use case. It
Hmm.
is possible for you to implement automation on your emails that they freeze. That is, without automation on your email, you will not need to respond to anyone.
Hmm.
You you can automate your email in the sense that if anybody sends you a particular, maybe they want to make an inquiry, they can
Hmm.
get immediate response. You can automate your email, you can automate your social media platform. No, those
Hmm.
are the career. I'm giving an instance. If the person wants to become an AI automation engineer, yeah, then you can also become an AI prompt engineer as well. That is a career path. You
Hmm.
can become an AI prompt engineer. You can become an AI business analyst. You can become an AI program manager. You can become an AI product manager. You can become an AI data governance specialist or an AI data strategy specialist. You can also become responsible AI specialist. You can become an AI audit expert.
Hmm.
You can become an AI COE leader. Then
Hmm.
you can become an AI change manager. management experts, because we also have a course for that too. AI and change management.
This is your old boy life. Hey, what's up, bro?
How you doing?
Hey, I'm cool. How you doing? Daddy Fresh, I greet you.
I greet you, brother. There's this other guy. Please, can you show your face? This one where you put your client picture up.
Show your face.
For your client.
Baba put client.
For your client.
All right, brother. Go on with your question.
Okay. Okay. I've been hearing what you've been talking about. I mean, I also do. I'm a data analyst here in California. You know, and I used to work with Facebook before. So my question is, because you've not been mentioning any of your tools of your automation. I use SaaS as automation in my company, but you didn't mention any of your automation software.
There are various automation tools that, okay, let me explain. The automation can be leveraged in various forms. Now, if let us assume you are using a CRM technology like Salesforce, they can incorporate automation in their CRM platform, maybe their AI service cloud. They've integrated automation in the area of cases management. You understand? Then they can also integrate AI in their Salesforce Sales Cloud or Salesforce Marketing Cloud. They also have, under the Marketing Cloud, they also have what we call their Salesforce Pardons. That is, you can incorporate automation in your in-house application, which is actually integrated into the application that you are using. That is one. Then the second one, we also have some automation platform. One is called Anywhere Automation. Another one is called UiPath Automation. Then we have the one of Microsoft. It's called, I guess, something Power Automate. Am I right? Are you saying something?
Yeah, I know. I can hear you. I get you. You mentioned Copilot with Teams and all that. Yeah, you mentioned. My question is, because you will be mentioning a lot of the courses you mentioned are so wide. Data analytics, AI, using of you didn't mention machine learning, training of data, but you in your course of explanation you mentioned that AI sometimes will give you that, but the truth is most AI, in as much you've trained your data in whatever field you're working on, AI works efficiently 100%. Now we have different domains in tech or in production. We have the entertainment, understanding domain in entertainment, and these people, they bring different people from different walks of life to be able to train that data. Either in entertainment, we have someone who has a strong domain.
Yeah, but I didn't mention any course about AI data trainer or AI. I didn't mention anything about LLM engineer or AI engineer. I didn't mention. All I mentioned was AI and leadership, AI and decision making, AI and communication, AI and data strategy, and I mentioned the personnel that are associated with AI data strategy. A data engineer should actually understand data strategy in implementing AI. A data analyst should also know that as well. A data governance, AI data governance, AI data management should also understand that. Then for the hands-on professional, I mentioned AI prompt engineer and I mentioned AI automation engineer. And I answered your question. There are two ways organization can leverage AI. Is either by using their in-house application.
Of course.
When I say in-house, it can be a CRM technology. It can be an incident management technology like ServiceNow. It can be ERP technology like SAP. Then all of these technologies that I mentioned, they've actually integrated generative AI capabilities in their platform, as well as the ability of those technology to be able to automate process.
Wait. Let me get it correctly. Let me get it correctly. I want to come again because I heard you when you were mentioning analytics, and you remain data engineer. Data engineer, you have to be very, very skilled when it comes to relational database. Come in, hold on.
No, hold on, bro.
Okay.
I will answer your question.
Bro,
I said
Sampam.
strategy. Relax. I said AI and data strategy. I didn't say AI data trainer. We have a course which is called AI and analytics, where we look at big data, we look at business intelligence. No, if it's that course, definitely data engineer play a vital role. But when we talk about data strategy, data strategy is simply the process of ensuring that you have quality data.
I already get you. I already get you.
Did I answer your question?
What you're trying to say now is you are just using tools for management communication, not for really in-depth analysis for whatever data or whatever thing in tech that you want to do. So what you're trying to do, CRM, I'm coming, like CRM, or like Microsoft 360, like the use of Copilot in Teams, like Salesforce, looking for social media. Those are the things you're talking about. How to just manipulate, how to communicate, but in depth of as being a data analyst or data scientist or a data.
I didn't mention any program.
I know. Or a data engineer, because you mentioned engineer, data engineer. You didn't. All these things you never for once mentioned any tools. That's what reason why I was asking. I wanted you to mention tools, but the tools you were mentioning are the tools we corporate world. Like those teams, those.
Okay, hold on. Let me satisfy you. Hold on. Let me.
This Facebook brother. Now what for you?
No, that the fees. Hold on. I know where he's heading to. I will satisfy him. Hold on. Let me satisfy you. I will remind you again.
That satisfaction did not come out right too.
Data strategy. I will tell you why I mentioned it. Why I said our AI data strategy, that individuals who are data engineers are encouraged to enroll for this course. I will tell you the reason. Because as a data engineer, one of your expectations is to define good data strategy in terms of you must understand data management, data governance, data quality. Are you understanding me? As a data engineer, you must, it's called like best practices. When I say AI and data strategy, we are talking about best practices to incorporate as a data engineer. That is what I'm talking about. The one you want me to talk about, relax, I will answer you. The one you want me to talk about is for data engineer. We have various data engineering platforms. You can talk in terms of implementing AI. In terms of the reporting, you can look at Tableau, you can look at Power BI. Then in the back end, you can look at Snowflake, you can look at Informatica, you can look at your S3, your Amazon S3 buckets, you can look at various integration tools to connect the ingestion of data ingestion, data migration, and your ETL process. I'm asking your question. Is that not what you want me to talk about?
I don't want to talk much now. I already understand what you're trying. Did
I answer your question? Is that not what
Okay. Yes, I understand you now. I'm not trying to spoil your business.
Okay, nice.
Yeah, I understand you now. What you're trying to sell the data preparation, the strategy in
data collection. Data archiving.
I get you now.
I don't know what I'm talking about.
Yeah,
Baba, I first fear this Facebook guy who.
I get you. The truth is, I want to say something fresh.
Yes.
In the labor market, these people, what you're actually teaching is just like the peripheral. They literally, I'm coming up, like the peripheral and the introduction into the tech space.
Okay, hold on, bro.
And I'm coming.
Hold on. No, I don't want you to go far. Because maybe you are seeing me here for the first time. You really don't know much about what we've been saying. Let me tell you.
Yeah.
I represent Brightness Academy, and we offer.
Where's it located at?
No, we operate remotely. We operate virtual. All our classes are Zoom live class.
But you should have an head office. What office?
It's at Delaware. It's at Delaware.
Delaware. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, you can Google it. Then let me come again. We have various AI programs, and our AI programs are tailored towards various AI positions within the organization. Then when I'm mentioning certain courses, they are the courses that are tailored or that are meant to equip you to function in a certain area within the organization.
Me, I'm happy he's asking these questions so that people can, because the more he's answering, the more people will be able to.
Now, let me give you an instance. If you register for our AI project manager or our AI consultant, you will have the opportunity of covering 21 modules. Are you getting it? Then the collection of all these modules will make you an expert in that area. Then when you said, oh, I'm just covering will I say rudimentary of the basics? No. Like now, let me give an instance. Like our AI consultant, we have about 21 modules. The first class is fundamental knowledge of AI machine learning. The second class is understanding generative AI and its application. The third class.
Let me cut you short. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I spent 7 months studying machine learning. 7 months just machine learning.
Okay.
And I did it in Caltech, California Institute of Technology.
Okay.
So just machine learning. So I know what I'm talking about. If you are doing fair, just to understand or domain.
It depends on the course you register. Can you go to our website and download?
No, I understand you. I understand you, bro. I'm not arguing.
Hold on. You. See,
this Facebook guy, you get wahala.
Bro, I'm very sorry to say this. Let me tell you, we offer 24 AI programs. And I'm sorry to disappoint you that the school you went to do not offer as many AI programs that we offered at Brightness Academy. And it is not, hold on, it is not comprehensive enough.
Hey, bro, tell them.
Go to our website now. We offer 24 AI programs, and each of those programs have about 21 modules, and some have 28 modules. You can download it, go and check it. All the courses I mentioned, you were not taught. You were not taught AI leadership. You were not taught AI communication.
Okay.
You were not taught AI data strategy.
Okay.
Do you know what you were taught?
What?
You were taught what is machine learning. You were taught what is AI. You were taught branches of machine learning, supervised learning, and unsupervised learning. You were taught the models of supervised learning and the models of unsupervised learning.
Good.
You were taught recurrent neural network, convolutional neural network. You were taught deep learning, and learning. You were taught logistic. What's it called?
Baba, I don't give you your whole curriculum.
I never thought.
I'm telling you what you were taught.
Okay.
I know what is out there.
Listen to me. Hold on, first.
Okay, go ahead.
My final certification is in data science. You understand? I'm just telling you all the different courses I've read. But forget about this long story, bro.
Okay.
What I'm letting you understand.
Yes.
If you go to my website, I have an entertainment company. My website, I trained my data myself. It's not 100%, like 60%. It can communicate with the chat. It's AI chatbots. I created it myself. I trained the data myself because I'm coming. Hold on. Because I have a strong domain knowledge when it comes to entertainment, so I should train it myself. So if you go to my website, it communicates with you directly. The more I keep on training it in time, you get order. What I'm saying is, it's not about I said, if you were actually explaining, I'm teaching data strategy or data or how to use, it's too low. Yes, I'm still building it. I don't have time. That's the reason why I don't have more time for the training of the data. So what I'm saying is, if you are doing the referral, because
we are not teaching peripheral.
I'm coming. Hold on first now. Hold on.
Bros, ask this your question. The other guy they here never talk, and my time don't up.
have a specific skills that you need to learn.
No.
If you want to learn, if you want to become an AI chatbot engineer,
Henry,
there
one
is a
second.
module that is designed
Henry,
for you.
1 second. Oh yeah,
Okay.
Mr. Facebook, I give you 1 minute. Round everything where you want talk and finish now.
Yes,
1 minute.
thank you. I don't want to say.
Please, I have something to ask.
Don't worry. It is your turn. Make Facebook, make Oga Facebook finish first.
Yeah.
Then go call it your turn.
No, they are not.
Okay.
Because hold on. Look, what I'm saying is, if you are selling, I know because the way you are selling it, I was asking you what tools will it be? What tools are you actually using for this? What are you selling that you want to teach the people the different models? What would they be using? That was what I was asking you. Then you're not saying, oh, I'm not going in depth. I'm doing just strategy.
I didn't say I wasn't going in depth. We teach in depth. Yes. That is why I said you are not listening, that you are new. Go to the website.
I'm new. I knew. It is what I heard I'm talking about. I don't know what you'll be talking about.
Hey, that is why now. You should.
Brother, God bless you. Thank you so much. God bless you. God bless you. Baba, my time don't up. Make this guy ask another question. Oh yeah, brother. But I enjoyed the session. My brother, I enjoyed him. Oh yeah, bro, talk.
Go ahead.
Good morning, sir. I'm Victor Chinagoro. I'm a marine engineer. I went to school of engineering. And the question I want to ask, I picked interest on this live about AI. And I don't know. I'm new on this, you understand? I don't want to know how can this program be of gain to me, and in terms of my career, I'm a marine engineer. Is there any way I can harness through your program on this how am I going to put it on this platform? Am I going to equip myself on because in some other vessels I've been hearing, they have this robotic system and all that. So I don't know if there is any course that will harness me on
That is free.
this.
Is that your network?
No, my network is fine. No. Now on our network.
Let me just answer it. I don't have much to say, but what I'm going to say is reach out to me on WhatsApp. I need to ask you some specific questions. Then, based on those questions, I'll be able to give advise you and tell you what course you need to do. You understand? Then there was a number that was called earlier, +1.
Yeah.
Yeah, reach out to me and we can have a conversation.
Okay, no problem, sir.
Yes.
That's very nice. God, thank you for this opportunity. I really appreciate it. Okay?
God bless you, bro. Let me give out the number. Real quick. +1 802 839 0484. I'll take that number again. +1 802 839 0484. So I hope I helped with that. Go ahead, Henry. We're rounding off now. Do you have any more questions?
No, somebody was saying that it's expensive.
Okay.
Reach out to me. I've said it. We have different packages. We have our boot camp, which goes for $3,000 now. And we also have our specialized program, which go for $1,050 and $1,500, which is for 4 weekends. And we have individual programs. Then some of the individual programs, some are $100, some are $150, others are $250 and $300. Then, depending on what you can afford, just reach out to me and I'll send you the link to register.
Okay, sir. I'm gonna reach out to you now.
Okay, no worries. No problem. Just send me a message. And Daddy, please, just to clear what that brother was saying. For you, at Brightness Academy, we offer various programs. Then, depending on where you want to specialize on, we have what we call curated programs for each area of AI specialization. Now, he came here, he said he went to a particular institute, he studied machine learning. Maybe what you went there to study is to become a machine learning engineer. You can also become an AI data trainer. Then, what the modules that a machine learning engineer will do or cover is different from what an AI project manager needs to know. An AI project manager doesn't require Python coding and the rest. You understand? An AI project manager or business analyst do not need any programming skills for them to perform their day-to-day activities. But for a machine learning engineer, you need to understand Python. You need to understand various machine learning language. But for someone who is like a product owner, a business analyst, or a project manager, or a data management expert, they might not need all of those knowledge. Then every program or course have a tailored modules that they need to cover. And you just came to the call and you start saying, oh, what you are covering. I mentioned what the modules that we have. And we have
But you answered him
on
well
our
anyway.
website.
You answered him well anyway. So I don't think that is a problem right now. So I was satisfied with your answer. I don't know about anybody else.
AI DevOps experts, which is coming up in the month of October. Then if you want to become an AI DevOps expert, we have a course for that as well. We are going to look at the various machine learning life cycle. We'll be looking at the various DevOps processes. We'll be looking at machine learning operations. We'll be also be looking at some use cases, some projects as well. Then that is it. If you want to become an AI automation engineer, we have a course for that. When you want to become an AI prompt engineer, we have a course. We have tailored modules. There's something that you need to know. Like him now, he was talking about entertainment industry. In the entertainment industry, they mostly use generative AI technology, which are LLMs. Then we have all that as well. If you want to become an LLM expert, then we have those courses as well. That is why I said there is no e-learning platforms that offer as many AI programs that we offer at Brightness. Then at Brightness, we don't only equip you to become technical, but we also equip you with the knowledge to become AI leaders. And that is the ability to able to exhibit leadership strategy in terms of implementing artificial intelligence. There is not just about learning how to develop AI application, but you also need to have some certain skill, how to drive communication in terms of implementing AI. You also need to understand how to define a data strategy in terms of ensuring the organization is ready in terms of implementing AI. Because the quality of your data determines how you can thrive with your AI implementation. Then these are some of the things we look at. It's very, as it, we kind of cover a lot of things, except you are not ready to learn.
Okay, so Henry, we're rounding off. My brother, thank you so much. Is there any other call, any other question? What's the difference? Bio is asking, what's the difference between AI and Gen AI? What's the difference between AI and Gen AI?
I will just Gen AI is called generative AI. That is it's just a branch of artificial intelligence. We have generative AI, we have conversational AI. Generative AI, I explained that last time I came. Generative AI are AI technology with the capability of content creation, like your ChatGPT. Word creation, content creation, converting your text to images, converting your text to video, all of those kind of things. Then we look at various generative AI models in our classes. We look at everything. We look at various generative AI technology, what they can do for the sales side, for the marketing, for technical support, even for developers. Even him, he said he's a data analyst. We also kind of have a class where we cover how data analysts can actually leverage generative AI. Then we also have conversational AI, which is associated with the chatbots. We also have predictive AI, which is creating advanced reporting. One example of one technology with predictive AI capabilities is Tableau. We have Power BI and the rest. Yeah.
All right, guys. So, in a nutshell, our lovely brother is here, Henry Onowole. In a nutshell, can you please summarize for anybody joining now? What do they stand to gain? How can they get in touch with you? And how soon is your latest class? Also, people are asking, do you have installmental payment options?
Yes, let me just go quickly. Brightness Academy have various programs to equip you in any career you want to choose in terms of artificial intelligence. Currently, we have 24 programs and we are launching more programs to make it 30 before the end of the year. And secondly, we have three different packages. We have our boot camp, which is called our comprehensive boot camp. It's $3,000, depending on the program that you choose. We have AI consultant, AI program manager, AI business, several courses like that. And it's for 4 months. And by next year, that same course, that same bootcamp program will become $7,000. And we also have another package we call our specialized AI program. It's just 4 modules. Depending on the area you want to specialize on, you want to become an AI prompt engineer, you want to become an AI automation expert, or you want to become a generative AI expert or an AI program manager or business analyst. And that is just for weekend, $1,050 and $1,005, depending on the program you registered for. And lastly, for those that cannot afford $3,000, $1,050, $1,500, you can attend our individual courses. Then some individual courses is just 1 weekend, 4 to 6 hours. And some classes are Saturday and Sunday, which is 10 and 12 hours. And another thing I also want to say, please, we don't teach basics only. We also teach advanced and hands-on. We have projects. Yes, we have projects. It's not just theory. We are going to tell you the technology that have those capability, and we are also going to do hands-on. We are going to implement it. Then when next I come live, if you have any project you want us to discuss about, we can talk about it as well. You understand? It's hands-on, not just theory. That is why I was telling the other man what he was taught. You understand? It's not just theory. We have project, we teach project. I'm a very rigorous person when it comes to education and learning. It's not just coming here and doing. I'm an IT expert or an IT leader. Let me put. I'm a senior manager. I do raw IT implementation in different forms. Like now, the organization where I work, when they want to implement any form of technology in any department, they call me. I'm part of the team. That is why I'm so vast. You understand? Then it is the same thing that we are teaching at Brightness Academy. It's not just one thing. No. When you come, you want to go in the marketing side, the sales side, the HR. We also understand AI in HR space, AI in supply chain. We know all of that. I have a very good team. For the past 2 years, we've been doing a lot of research. We've been creating a lot of content. And that is why I said most of the courses we offer at Brightness Academy, you can't see it out there. I know what I'm saying. You you can't see it out there. That is why I can speak boldly of most of the courses that we offer. And when next I come live, I will bring maybe one or two of our students. They will tell you what they're actually learning, and yeah, they will tell you the learning experience.
That will be very, very nice. And I'm
Yes,
sure a lot of us will be looking forward to having you
definitely.
again. Thank you so much for joining us, Henry Onowole.
Thank
Um,
you. Yes.
People can get in touch with him. WhatsApp +1 802 839 0484.
Thanks for
Email is info@brightnextacademy.org. That is
our website
info.
is brightnessacademy.ai. Brightness
Website is
Academy.ai.
brightnessacademy.ai.
Yeah.
WhatsApp once again is +1 802 839 0484. God bless. Thank you once again, Henry.
Thank you, dear.
Take
Thank
care
you so much.
and
Always
God
nice
bless.
to
And my love to Brittany.
definitely I will. Thank you, bye.